Safety days are here again. It's a time for maintenance crews to take the day off of the road to focus on that important topic, safety.
We've been pushing really hard for safety. We've been getting a lot of buy-in. Our numbers have gone down. Injury numbers have gone down significantly, which is great. It's a matter of thinking about what you're doing and paying attention and self-awareness and situational awareness.
At the new Cumberland Maintenance facility, they spent the day recently going over a variety of topics, including the proper use of ladders, barrier placement, and fall protection. It's all an important reminder to stay safe every day.
It's paramount that you have to make sure that safety is a priority. You can't just overlook it.
Be very focused because there's so many factors, whether it's traffic or, even a rock.
Safety Days runs through the end of June and is coming to each maintenance shed. The timing coincides with the Go Orange campaign, focusing on work zone safety.
For the Go Orange campaign, it's very important because as workers, we need to be safe and we need to go home every day.